Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows activation error code 0xc004f213. You get this error in Windows activation. So it's simply process. Try to your problem, fix it now. Before like and comment this video, don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, let's start that methods. Then first method restart. So go to that start menu. Then select the click to power button, select the restart button, click here to restart your system. Then go to the next solution and settings. So go to that settings, open it, then click to open it. Okay, then select the system, then scroll down, then select the activation. Then already this activated, but you do not have the activated, then ISO your activation place this for troubleshoot. So they click for the troubleshoot. After that few minutes wait, then troubleshoot finished, then your problem fix it. Sometimes this is easily finished, sometimes not working, then only then go to the next method, the command promote. So go to that cmd, then with run as administrator, click here to open it, then type that command promote for this copy, then paste it now. Okay, then close it, then exit, then go to the next solution for the services. So open to the services, so go to the services, then click to open it, then scroll down, find Windows License Manager, then select it, then right click, then select the properties, then start the type, click to, then manually select it. Then if you have service status is stopped, then you can try to start button, click here, then service status is changed for running, then hit the apply and OK button, click here to close it services. So then refresh your system, then go to the next solution for the Windows update. So go to that settings, then click to open it, then select the Windows update, then you can bending that. If you have bending your Windows update, then click to update your latest version, then your problem fix it now. Thanks for watching, and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel. And do you need any video, please ask me.